one of the most important thing, is to have something at hand when you need it. And I love cooking with my herbs. And there's a fantastic 4 herbs here that you can grow in your garden, in container, or in pots, or inside the raised bed. Welcome to my nice little tire. It's a little tire, I would call it, full of healthy herbs. And my name is Donna, and I'll be taking you on a journey how to grow herbs that will cost less for you, that you're easily accessible to growing and consuming in your home. These are 4 fantastic herbs that anyone can grow. But it is a wonderful feeling when you're cooking and you can come out and cut yourself some herbs and put it into your container. So you can come out and cut some rosemary, some coriander, some chives, and some curly parsley. Where's the curly parsley? Right, yes. And get some curly parsley. Oops, don't break. And some curly parsley in your container for your cooking. Isn't that wonderful? The chives adds flavor to cheese whenever you're making your cheese sandwich, and it's garlic chives, that's why it has that flavor. The coriander, the curly parsley, the rosemary. I love cooking with rosemary, especially in soups. So come on, what you think about this? A nice plate of herbs, all cut from a tire with 4 fantastic herbs that you can grow yourself, full of health benefits. Did you know you can have your own pharmacy by buying the herbs from the supermarket, easily from the supermarket, and make your own herb garden? These are powerful herbs. So come, let me show you how you can set up. This is a car tire. And all these herbs were bought in the supermarket. I'm gonna show you how you can prepare your own herbs in a container or even in a car tire. Right, so I have parsley, rosemary, chives, and coriander right here. And we're going to plant our herbs. Even the strawberry running along here as well. Can you imagine? The strawberry is running along. I've got egg trash in here, which is good. This is a lot of calcium. So you just put a few in. Dig it in. And I have my Durston's compost. I'll put some in. That's gonna help. Right, these are herbs that you can, for culinary and health purposes, but I'll talk more about the benefits of these herbs. But I'm just gonna show you that you can plant these right here, right in your garden, right here. Right in a car tire, in a container. Just make a nice, you can just make a nice little present to someone, You can remember to get your knee pad. I'm kneeling down on a good knee pad here. So I'm going to, first one I'm going to plant here is the coriander. This is it. And then guess what? You can split them, so you don't have to even worry about planting one. So you just split them and you get a whole lot. So I'm just showing you how you can plant get your herbs in. So they put one there. Coriander. Ooh, the smell from the coriander. See that? Okay, now we go for the curly parsley. It's another one. You can split that. So look. Ooh. Curly parsley, just split it in 3 and put that right in here. The smell, smell like I'm in the kitchen cooking. So I'm putting them in threes right around the edge of the tire. Right. And I think I'll do the rosemary in the center. Her name is Rose. So this is rosemary. I'm going to put that in the center. I'm not going to split it. I'll leave it as it is and I'll put it in the center. So that goes there. And then we have the chives. Remember the chives, you can split that as well. So this is chives. This is garlic chives, it's called. Right? So we're going to take that out and we're going to split that. You can get loads from this one. Split that. You get loads from it. So you can just pick these up in the supermarket and you have a garden full of herbs. And save you from going to the shop to buy, you know, every time. Put that in there. See that? That's that. And then I have the, I've planted the coriander, the chives, and the parsley. I think I have another one. The chives, hold on. Curly parsley, coriander, chives, and the rosemary. Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll go around with the others because I have more than one and I'll plant them along. So this is for the mighty four, the fantastic four herbs: parsley, rosemary, chives, and coriander. And there you have it, a nice bed of herbs, which is super healthy for you. Look at that. You see that? Super healthy for you. Then you can put the others around the corner in the pots so as to make it look, you know, really nice. Just the same. Keep them in the pots if you want to. So there you go. And there you have it. A nice bed of herbs. Explore the amazing world of 4 powerhouse herbs that will take your cooking and health to new heights. We'll uncover the benefits and versatility of rosemary, parsley, chives, and coriander. Learn how to grow, harvest, and harness the potential of these flavorful and health-boosting herbs. Rich in antioxidants, support heart health, aids digestion, detoxification. It unlock the power of nature. Rosemary is rich in oxidants which help protect against cellular damage and reduce inflammation, boost memory, concentration, and overall brain health. Parsley, high in vitamin A, C, and K, supporting immune function and bone health, act as a natural diuretic, helping to reduce water retention and bloating. The chives contain antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that can help fight infections. Coriander is packed with antioxidants that protect against damage and reduce inflammation. It has shown to help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular health. It aids digestion. The essential oils in coriander have been found to relieve indigestion, bloating, and other digestive issues. Coriander is known for its natural detoxification properties, helping the body to remove toxin and heavy metals. Get yourself to the local supermarket and pick up some coriander, rosemary, parsley, and chives that you can plant in a container on your windowsill and even on a tire as well. And this will help to increase and support your health benefits. It is cheap to purchase and to plant that you don't have to worry going to the supermarket all the time. Save yourself the shopping and just walk in your garden and cut to purpose. A car tire full of goodness, full of healthy, wealthy, and wise herbs that you can use in your kitchen or make something for your health. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your feedback on this video, and remember to plant healthy.